Hello everyone, in this video I'll be doing Cambridge IGCSE ICT paper 2, the Mailmerge task and the presentation for the year May-June 2021, paper 2-1. Other tasks, document production and database are already done. You can find the link for those videos in the description. So now we are going to do task 4, Mailmerge. You are required to carry out a mail merge. Create a mail merge document using cert.rtf as the master document and data.csv as the data source file. Enter your name, center number and candidate number in the footer of the document. So these are the files. Let's open the master document. We have to write the name, candidate number and center number in the footer. Click on footer. Center number and candidate number. So the data source is data.csv. Let's link this file. So click on mailings, select recipients, use an existing list and select your folder. So this is the file data. Click open. So the master document and the data source are linked now. Replace the text and chevrons in the master document with the merge fields from the data source. So we need to replace these fields with the ones given in the merge field. So let's insert now. COMP means name. Select name. Make sure the comma, the spacing, everything is as it is. COUN is the country. You can see the date. Date means today's date. It's given here. Display today's date in the format DDDD. That means the day, and DD and MMMMYY. So the 2-digit day format and the complete month name and the 4-digit year format along with the day. This is the format which we require. So let's insert that. Select, go to insert, date and time. So we can see this is the required format with the day, then date, complete month name and the year in 4-digit format. Make sure update automatically is ticked, otherwise the code won't be visible. Give OK. So it is inserted there. Now let's continue with the other fields. The time, time means total time. On mailings, insert merge field, total time. POS is the overall position. Insert overall position. GEN is general male female. GEN means male female. So you have to insert male female. And GPOS is the gender position. Now here we have to insert SW swim 1 Trans 1 is T1 bike. Okay, let's insert them. Swim. Trans 1 is T1. BK is bike. Trans 2 is T2. RN is run. So we have inserted all the fields. Make sure the spacing, punctuation, alignment in the original master document are maintained. Save and print your master document showing the merge field codes. So for that, you can just click on mailings, give highlight merge fields, go to file, options, click on advanced and make sure the fields are visible to be printed. So click on print and make sure print field codes instead of values. Give OK. So when you print, file, print, in the print preview, you can see the codes will be shown here. So these are the codes. After printing, you can remove that option. Give OK. And you can remove the highlight merge fields. So that is the printing printout for evidence 7. Take screenshot evidence of the date field code showing the format used. Place this screenshot in your evidence document. So this is the date. Select the date. Right click, toggle field codes so that you can see the format of the date. Let's take the screenshot. This is the screenshot. Let's paste it in the evidence document, that is evidence 7. Next part, set an automated filter to select competitors where male female is female and gender pose is 3 or less. So go to mailings, edit recipient list. We can filter the data according to the criteria. Click on filter. So they told male female is female and gender position is 3 or less. Is female. So type here female. And scroll down and select gender position is 3 or less. So less than or equal to 3. We need to take screenshot evidence to show how this automation is done. So let's take the screenshot of this filter window. This is your evidence 8. So let's paste it here. So that's done. Merge and print the certificates for the selected competitors only. Save and close the files. Let's merge and print. Click on finish and merge. Edit individual documents and then give OK. So you got the letters or the certificates. There are 3 certificates. Let's save this as letters inside your folder or certificates. Okay. So this can be closed, and also this you can save as a Word document with your candidate number. Save. Next task is presentation. So let's close this. Open PowerPoint. Create a presentation of 8 slides using the file j21 try.rtf. So this is your click on a blank presentation. Click on new slide. We need to import the slides, so go for slides from outline and choose your folder. This is the file. Try. Insert. So just remove the first slide, which is a blank one. So now you can see we have 8 slides as required in the question. On slide 1, enter your name after the text overview presented by. So after this, you have to enter your name. Use a master slide to display the following features. Automatic slide numbers on the top right. So let's go for the master slide. For that, click on View, Slide Master. Make sure the topmost slide is selected. Let's remove these placeholders and we'll add our own placeholders for the slide number and name. Automatic slide numbers on the top right. So make sure you select the topmost slide, otherwise it will not get affected in other layouts. So go to Insert. Let's insert a text box on the top right. So I have inserted a text box. Then you can see the cursor inside the text box. Go to Insert again and give slide number. Next, we have to insert your name, center number and candidate number. No particular position is given, so let's give it here. Again, insert a text box. Type your name, center number and candidate number. Master slide items appear in the same position. We have to make sure there is no overlap on any slide. So all these are fine. Let's go back to the normal view. Click on View, Normal. Make sure the slide number and your details are shown on every slide. Delete the slides with the titles History of Triathlons and Super Sprint Triathlon. So History of Triathlon is the third one. I will delete it. And Super Sprint Triathlon was the fourth one previously. That also I will delete. So now we have 6 slides. Use the data in J21 parttake.csv to create a pie chart. So let's open the file. To create a pie chart to compare participation by age group for triathlon only. So we need to select the age group and triathlon, this one. You can select the age and the data for triathlon. Press Ctrl key and select. Insert pie chart. This is the required pie chart. Label the chart with the title Triathlon Registrations by Age. Next, format the chart to display only percentages and age groups as sector labels. Position these labels outside each chart sector. Only percentage and age group. Do not display a legend. So you can click on this plus sign. So remove legend from here. Click on data labels. Click on this arrow. Go for more options. So we don't need the values. Now you can see the values are shown here. We need the category name, that is the age group, and the percentage. So category name and percentage, and it should be outside end. So this is the required pie chart. Emphasize the age group with the largest percentage by pulling only this sector away from the other age groups. So this is the largest one. Click twice on this sector. So only that one will be selected. Just drag it out to show the emphasis. Place the chart to the left of the bullets on the slide with title Market Analysis. So let's copy this chart. Market Analysis is the second slide. It should be to the left side. So move this bullet points to the right side. Let's paste it here. You can make this little more bigger so that it's easy to read. Apply the sound file J21 cheer.wave to the slide with the title Ironman Triathlon, so the sound plays automatically as the slide appears. So in Ironman Triathlon, so the last slide we have to insert the sound. So go to Insert, Audio, click on Audio on my PC and select your folder. So this is the file. Insert. You can see this is the sound file. The sound should play automatically as the slide appears. So we need to set the, you can see start here, it is given us on click. Let's set it as automatically. And it should play only in this slide. So let it be here. Place in your evidence document screenshot to show the sound is set to play automatically as the slide appears. So you can take screenshot of this one. That's your evidence 9. Save the presentation. Print slides 1, 2, 3 and 4 only as handouts with 2 slides to the page, each slide filling half the page. So when you are printing, we have to go to File, Print, go to 2 slides per page from this option, 2 slides, so that we can see we have to print the slides 1, 2, 3 and 4. So make sure 1, 2, 4 is selected here and 2 slides are selected. You can print it. Before printing, we have to make sure the name is given in the footer. So footer or header, go to Edit Header and Footer. In the header, you can give your name, candidate number and center number. So your name will be shown in the header. So this is the end of the presentation task. The last task is to print the evidence document. This is our evidence document. You can print this. So this is the end of paper 2-1 for June 2021. Please check the description for the links to other tasks. Thank you for now.